Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk it through how do you share location on iPhone. Here are the steps to share your location on iPhone using the built-in location sharing features. Using messages. Quick share. Unlock your iPhone and open the Messages app. Open the conversation or the person you want to share your location with. Tap the person's name or profile icon at the top of the screen. Tap Share My Location. Choose how long to share 1 hour, until end of day, indefinitely. Allow permission, then our contact will now see your live location in the conversation thread. Using Find My app for ongoing location sharing. Open Find My app on your iPhone. Tap the People tab at the bottom. Tap Start Sharing Location. Type or tap the name, number, or Apple ID of the person you want to share with. And then tap Send. Choose the duration 1 hour, until end of day, or share indefinitely. Tap OK to confirm. The person will now be able to see your location and the Find My app and receive a notification. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.